Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cheese board at home. First, let's talk about cheese selection. Aim for 3 to 5 different types to offer variety. Think about textures like creamy brie, firm cheddar, and crumbly blue. Also, consider a spectrum of flavors, from a delicate goat cheese to a pungent aged Gouda. This thoughtful selection forms the delicious foundation of your board. Next, let's gather the perfect companions for your cheeses. Provide a good mix of crackers and bread, perhaps some crusty baguette slices. For sweetness, add fresh berries, dried figs, and a small pot of honey. Savory elements like marinated olives, toasted almonds, and thinly sliced prosciutto will round out the flavors beautifully. These additions elevate the entire tasting experience. Now for the fun part, arranging your board. Start by placing your cheeses with some space in between each one, making them easy to cut. Then, artfully fill the gaps with your accompaniments. Cluster grapes, scatter nuts, and fan out crackers. Use small bowls for olives or honey to keep everything tidy. A visually appealing board is just as delightful as a tasty one. Finally, let's ensure everyone enjoys your magnificent creation. Offer a dedicated knife for each cheese to maintain distinct flavors. Remember to let your cheeses sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before serving. This truly enhances their taste and texture. Encourage your guests to experiment with different combinations. Enjoy the delightful experience of sharing your homemade cheese board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.